Hey, it's Chris with LPT Realty. We are here at 13901 Snowy Plover Lane in Riverview, and going to take a look at this house. Just hit the market on May 1st. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, a little over 2,000 square feet with a pretty open layout. So let's flip it around. You have enough looking at me. Let's take a look at the house. All right, here's your front entrance, landscaping. I'm a shotgun style from the front door straight through the back porch. As you come into your right, you've got 2-bed, 2-bath. Right off the entrance. Rooms are about 12 by 12. Decent normal sized closet. Got tile floors all through the main areas, and then carpet in the bedrooms. Got a double vanity here with your combo tub shower. All three of these bedrooms are all the same size, all three of the extra beds. Like I said, somewhere like 12 by 12. Closets in these 3 rooms are pretty much the same. Okay, we're back out to the main entrance. There's your kitchen up and ahead of you. We're gonna go left, and this will be back here, the 4th bedroom. So we've got a desk here, kind of in this passageway, out to the garage, and there's bathroom number 3. Nice thing is they got the higher countertops as well as the granite in your bathroom, so bit of an upgrade there. This was a Lennar build from 2018. Okay, and then we're back in the hallway. Coming around to the kitchen and the main living area. Here is your pretty big pantry, walk-in pantry. Plenty of room for those hurricane supplies. Your cabinets are all the 42-inch, nice wood cabinets. Some pocket ceiling lights in there. Huge area here for the dining living room area. And then we come over here, off the kitchen is your laundry room. So good size, you got a lot of space in there. But what's kind of unique is it connects right into your master bath. So here we go in the master bathroom. Dual vanities, big garden tub, huge walk-in shower. It's storage here, toilet closet, water closet. Here's your walk-in for the main bedroom. Huge closet, so that's nice. And then we get into the primary bedroom. You can see the ceiling has the vaulted ceiling up there. And then this is your main bedroom door coming out right off of the patio. So you got a screen-in patio back there. Right now the yard's not fenced. It's on a corner lot, so if you wanted to fence it, you could. But as it sits right now, the home does not have a fence completely all the way around it. But this, like I said, just came on the market today, and it's offered at $427,000. I think when you look at the prices in this neighborhood, it's right in line. What really well-maintained home, landscaped, irrigation system was recently updated. It's ready for someone to call home. So check the links below. I'll put a link to the house's website and contact methods down below. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a great day. Thank you.